Hi, this is Kishore.
Hi, this is Lalit Kumar and we are from Oxbridge.
Whether you have a growing family or an investor looking for the better return in the heart of Ripley, this is the place to look for. Welcome to 20 Serenity Street, South Ripley.
Let's go inside and have a look.
Walking distance to the school
Close to the park and the shopping center.
and close to the public transport. Hot property like this won't last long on the market. So if you'd like to get more information and would like to book an inspection, please give us a call. Myself, Kishore.
Myself, Lalit Kumar.